Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Where we left off at? We left off yesterday with the transmissions being wrong, but I just went and picked up a new one this morning. I just came from JDM World. They had one for the cheapest. Oh man, the line's broke. Oh, I don't care, I got those already in the car. Yep, sitting right on the shelf. 60,000 miles on it, so can't fight with that. Gave it to me for 500 bucks. So now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to start putting it in the car. So let me load it up on the transmission jack, and then I will update you guys when we get it up inside of the car. All right, guys. So back to this G situation. So really big fuck up right here. Not on my behalf, but so you all remember when I had to do the number 4. I don't know what my flashlight is. Talking about number 4, how it was all messed up because the rod bearing was gone. Well, come to find out, motor's done, pretty much. Motor's done. I was getting ready to put the transmission back in, as you guys can see, and I went to turn the motor wouldn't turn. I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm like, all right, well, the only thing that I did on here was go inside and do the rod bearing. So I took the whole pan back down, as you guys can see. Broke the pan in the midst of this. Broke the pan. And then I went and I had unloosened the number 4 cylinder, and then the motor turned freely. I tighten it back down, the motor gets back tight again, I can't spin it. So here we are, back to square one. Now I gotta buy a motor and transmission. Luckily though, I found another one from JDM World, same place I got this one from, has 61,000 miles, same amount of miles that one has. So I'm getting ready to go pick that up right now. I gotta go over there real quick and talk to them about it and see what kind of deals they're gonna give me so I can pick that up. But yeah, life sucks right now, guys. It really does. But it is what it is. I guess it's for the better though. I have a fresh motor and transmission, so. But anyways, let me get over here and talk to JDM World, and I'll update you guys later. All right, y'all. So I just went to JDM World and paid for the motor. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this one out. Let's get to it, baby. All right, y'all, it's currently the next day of this part 2 of the G35 build, and I just got to work. I'm gonna go ahead and start snatching the front end off real quick because I think it's a lot easier to get the motor out just pulling it forward. So I'm gonna snatch the front end off, and let you guys watch me take all that off, and then we're gonna start getting the motor pulled out. And then when I get this one pulled out, I'm gonna go pick up the other one, and then we'll just smash everything together and toss it back in. But let me start getting this out now. Alright guys, I got the motor and tranny back together, and I have the long tube headers on here. I didn't show you guys the headers. I had these things for like 7 or 8 months now. I just never did anything with them. They were supposed to be for that G, but I didn't get to use them hoes. So here we go, we're gonna put the long tubes on right now. I was gonna section all this stuff off and make different videos for everything, but that's just too much. But I got the tranny back on, and let me jack it up. We're gonna get ready to put it back in the car now. Alright guys, so I done I put the motor back in already, got it all in, started buckling everything down. I didn't want to bore you guys with all the extra putting the motor back in. I already bored you guys taking it out and all of that, so I just went ahead and put it back together. I got the front end put back on, and I'm pretty much ready to start it out, honestly. I think it's ready to start now. I'm gonna go under the bottom and put the starter back in, and I gotta put the O2 sensors in from this motor, and then I'll let you guys know when I'm done with that. All right guys, so car's pretty much back together. Everything's plugged in. I just gotta do my O2 sensors, but I don't know if you guys know, but if you get the IRS long tubes, they have the option to buy the extension for the O2 sensors because it's way in the back here, and you need to reach all the way up there. So you can buy the extension. I didn't buy the extension because I didn't feel like spending like another $100 when I can do it myself. It's easy. But I'm done with these now. But that's pretty much gonna be it for today though. I'm tired. I've been working on this thing all day. Got a hell of a lot done. Took the motor out and put the motor and tranny back in. So I'm gonna end this video here. So tomorrow all I have to do is come in, do the other O2 sensor. Button little stuff up like this that goes right here. Like do a little small stuff. And then we're gonna put oil in it and we're gonna get it started up. So that's gonna be it for this video. Oh shoot, I'm over here. Got this thing going over there. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I'm very happy with how far we got. This went from supposed to be a quick simple fix. I was supposed to be registering this car yesterday. I was supposed to be done with it on Sunday and registering it today. And now here we are, new motor, new training. But I'm pretty happy with it. Both motor and training have 61,000 miles on them compared to 230,000 miles. So, can't complain. But anyway, again, thank you all for watching. That's gonna be the end of this video. Be looking out for the next video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.